Mahnoor was excited to visit the park for the first time. She had heard about the beautiful gardens, the playground, and the lake with swans. As soon as she arrived, she couldn't wait to explore. She first walked around the gardens admiring the colorful flowers and then visited the playground to try out the swings and slides. The lake particularly fascinated her as she watched the graceful swans gliding in the water. Finally, she took a stroll along the pathways, listening to the birds chirping in the trees. When it was time to leave, she was sad but happy with the wonderful memories of her visit to the park.